Namaste to all. Welcome to your online class. This class for Standard 7, Section J and H. The chapter Perimeter and Area that belongs to Unit 11 and topic Solution of brain teaser. The question of worksheets examples we have discussed now. Now we need to revise some questions that from worksheet and brain teaser, and all of you try to BT of this chapter as your homework. A question number 8 from worksheet 6. This question raised by students. You observe this question. First I want to dictate the question and clear the concept with diagram. Question is that find the area of a square that can be inscribed in a circle of radius 8 cm. क्वेश्चन ये है कि एक स्क्वायर का एरिया फाइंड करना है और वो स्क्वायर जो है इंस्क्राइब्ड दैट मीन्स इनसाइड अ सर्कल। एक सर्कल है और इस सर्कल के अंदर पहले हम एक सर्कल का डायग्राम बनाते हैं। यस, circle and radius of this circle is 8 cm given in this question. This is the origin of the circle and this is radius of circle 8 cm. If we extend other side that means it makes a diameter. अब ये सर्कल का क्या हुआ? डायमीटर, and diameter is 2r, that means r plus r, 8 cm plus 8 cm, that means 16 cm measurement of diameter of this circle. A square inscribed in it, एक स्क्वायर जो है इसके अंदर बना है। कैसे बना है? अब एक अदर डायग्राम, ये डायमीटर यहां बनाते हैं। ये this is the square. This is the square. Name A, B, C and D. A, B, C, D is a square that inscribed in a circle. We have to find area of circle, but here side of a square not given. यहाँ पे साइड ऑफ स्क्वायर नहीं दिया हुआ है और एरिया फाइंड करने के लिए साइड का होना मस्ट है। In this figure you observe that this is right angle triangle. Right angle triangle A, B, C and A, B, D. Two right angle triangle form. Triangle ABC where angle B is 90 degree. In triangle ABC, B 90 degree, that means it is right angle triangle. By Pythagoras theorem we know that Pythagoras theorem से हम क्या जानते हैं? This square यानी p square plus b square is equal to h square. That means base square plus perpendicular square is equal to hypotenuse square. Here we write AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. AB not given, so we can let here AB equal to X. AB equal to X. If AB equal to X, then we can write BC equal to also X. AB equal to X, then BC is equal to also X. Here AB square, that means X square, plus BC square, that means also X, yani X square, equal to AC square. Here AC is the diameter of circle and diameter of circle is 16. Diameter of circle is 16 cm. So we write here 16 square. Where we come 16? Because radius of circle is given 8 cm. 8 cm and 8 cm equal to 16 cm. 2x square equal to 16 square, which means we can write 16 into 16. हम इसको लिख सकते हैं 16 into 16. X square is equal to 16 into 16 divided by 2. This 2 comes here as a division. So we write it 16 into 8. 16 into 8. Because 16 cancel with 2 8 times. Now x equal to under root 16 into 8. 16 into 8. Now it written as under bracket 16 into 4 into 2. 4 to 8. So we write it under root 16, that means 4. Under root 4, that means 2. And root 2. Therefore, x equal to 4 to the 8 root 2 cm. This is the x, that means side of a square we find. अभी हम लोग x जो है वह साइड ऑफ स्क्वायर को माने थे, जो कि अभी फाइंड कर लिए 8 root 2 cm. And this is the side of a square. Then we can easily area of a square. Now area of a square equal to area of a square equal to side into side. That means 8 root 2 into 8 root 2. It means 8 8 ja 16 into under root 4. It means 16 8 8 ja 64. Sorry, 8 8 ja 64. Here we write 64. 64 into 2. So we write 64 multiply 2. It means 2 4 ja 8 and 6 2 ja 12. 128 cm square is the answer of this question. Students, I want to repeat as a revision this question. Question is that find the area of the square. आपको इसी स्क्वायर का एरिया फाइंड करना है. स्क्वायर ABCD that inscribed in a circle, जो कि एक सर्कल के अंदर बना हुआ है, जिस सर्कल का रेडियस 8 cm दिया हुआ है. गिवन दैट रेडियस ऑफ सर्कल इज 8 cm. 8 cm radius of the circle. So diagonal of the square is 8 plus 8. That is the diameter of the circle. जो diameter of the circle है वही square का diagonal है. So we can find area of a square in another method also. एक तरीका तो ये है by using Pythagoras theorem. This is a right angle triangle. P square plus B square equal to H square. We find side of a square. First we let the x of side of a square. So this side also x. X 2x. That means 2x square is equal to that process we solve now. We can solve another method of this question. We direct using the formula the area of a square if diagonal is given. Area of a square if diagonal is given. अगर किसी स्क्वायर का एरिया फाइंड करना है तो सीधे हम साइड इनटू साइड बोलते हैं. उसमें साइड दिया होता है तब, और यदि साइड नहीं दिया है, मुझे डायगोनल पता है, तो हम एक फॉर्मूला यूज करते हैं d1 into d2 divided by 2. So we write here in another method, that means another method we use to find area of circle, area of a square. Another method, area of a square, side into side we know already, but area of a square is if diagonal is given in the form of diagonal d1 into d2 by 2. Here d1 means 2r, r plus r, radius is given, radius of circle is given 8 cm. So we written here 8 plus 8, 8 plus 8, that means d1 into 8 plus 8 d2 divided by 2. We can write direct 16 into 16. हम यहाँ 16 into 16 भी लिखते हैं, लेकिन आपको समझाने के लिए हम 8 plus 8, that means 16 कहाँ से आया. This is the radius of circle 8 cm and diameter 8 plus 8. So we write here 8 plus 8 d1 and 8 plus 8 other diagonal. 16 into 16 divided by 2. Here we cancel 16 with 2 8 times. So we write here 16 into 8. 8 6 जा 48, carry 4, 8 1 जा 8 plus 4, 8 plus 4 12, that means 128 cm square. We get same answer. हम आपको क्वेश्चन सेम है लेकिन दो तरीके से बताए हैं। ऐसा क्यों? इन एग्जामिनेशन, इन टेस्ट, इफ स्टूडेंट्स हैव नॉट नो दिस फॉर्मूला, यदि स्टूडेंट्स के माइंड में ये फॉर्मूला नहीं आता है, then they can find using Pythagoras theorem, side of a square, and then side into side we find area of a square. Pythagoras theorem का यूज करके कर लेंगे। यदि स्टूडेंट्स इस फॉर्मूला को रिकॉल करते हैं और इस फॉर्मूला का यूज करते हैं, देन दे इजीली फाइंड एरिया ऑफ ए स्क्वायर। नेक्स्ट I want to discuss a topic that raised by students in previous class. Circumference of semicircle. पिछले क्लास में स्टूडेंट्स सेमी सर्कल का सर्कमफ्रेंस जानना चाहे थे। Circumference of semicircle. Circumference of semicircle. For that, first students should know the circumference of circle. इसके लिए पहले स्टूडेंट्स को यह जानना चाहिए कि सर्कल का सर्कमफ्रेंस, दिस इज द डायग्राम ऑफ सर्कल with this radius r and its circumference is 2 pi r. 2 pi r is the circumference of circle, but here students want to know circumference of semicircle. Semicircle means this part. यानी half of the circle. 2 pi r is the measurement of whole circle. पूरे सर्कल का टोटल मेजरमेंट 2 pi r है। Half, that means this figure, and it is bounded by 2 radius. So we write circumference of semicircle is 2 pi r by 2, 2 pi r by 2, that means half of circumference of circle plus diameter. सर्कमफेरेंस का पहले हम हाफ कर लेंगे। ये सर्कल का सर्कमफेरेंस 2 पाई है, उसका हाफ, that means 2 pi r by 2, and then add this portion, that means r plus r. 2 cancel with 2, pi r plus 2r, this written as d. Pi r plus d. Pi r plus d is the circumference of semicircle. In most time, students write only half of 2 pi r. स्टूडेंट्स क्या करते हैं, सेमी सर्कल में हाफ ऑफ सर्कल समझते हैं और 2 पाई आर का सिर्फ हाफ करके छोड़ देते हैं। 2 पाई आर का हाफ, दैट मीन्स 2 पाई आर डिवाइड बाई 2, दैट मीन्स पाई आर। लेकिन स्टूडेंट्स के माइंड में ये होना चाहिए कि दिस इज द ओपन फिगर, सेमी सर्कल तो है, ये ओपन है, जब तक इसको बाउंडेड नहीं करेंगे। अब ये बाउंडेड, दैट मीन्स डी इज मस्ट एडेड इन दिस पोर्शन। इस पोर्शन में मुझे ये डी ऐड करना होता है। डी दैट मीन्स आर प्लस आर, सो वी राइट हियर पाई आर प्लस डी। एंड सिमिलरली students find circumference of quarter of circle। इस तरीके से स्टूडेंट्स क्वार्टर ऑफ सर्कल भी कर सकते हैं। कैसे करेंगे क्वार्टर ऑफ सर्कल? 2 पाई आर डिवाइड बाय 4 circumference of quarter of circle, circumference of quarter of circle. Quarter of circle means 1/4 of the circle. 1/4, that means this portion. If this is R, this is also R, and quarter of circle in this way, students can easily clear the concept. This is the arc of 1/4 of circle. 1/4 of circle means 2 pi r is the circumference of whole circle. Whole circle का 2 pi r, this portion, that means divide by 4 plus 2r. This cancel with 2 times, so pi r by 2 plus d. 2r is written d. Pi r by 2 plus d, where r is the radius of circle. So we can easily find circumference of circle, semicircle and quarter of circle in this way. Now area. Now we discuss area. ये जितने फॉर्मूला बताए जा रहे हैं, इस फॉर्मूला को रटने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, बस डायग्राम से समझना है। और जब कभी यूज करना हुआ, यदि आपके माइंड में नहीं है, बस रिकॉल कर लेंगे, कोई रटने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। इट शुड बी रिवाइज्ड टाइम टू टाइम। नाउ एरिया of circle. We know that already area of circle pi r square. This is the circle and here is the radius. If we find area of semicircle, semicircle means diameter divides the circle in 2 parts. Yes, that means pi r square divided by 2. Pi r square divided by 2. And area of quarter of circle, area of quarter of circle. Quarter of circle means 1/4 of circle. That means whole area divided by 4. Whole area divided by 4. So if students know first formula, circumference of circle, then students easily find circumference of semicircle and circumference of quarter of circle. And students, if no area of circle pi r square, then students can solve easily find to area of semicircle divide by 2 and area of quarter of circle divide by 4. ये जितने फॉर्मूले हैं, इस सारे फार्मूला का यूज वर्कशीट में या ब्रेन टीजर में करना है और स्टूडेंट्स इसको रट लेते हैं। मेरे समझ से स्टूडेंट्स को ये फार्मूला रटने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। ये फार्मूला कैसे फॉर्म हुआ, कैसे बना, इसके लिए मैं कॉन्सेप्ट विथ डायग्राम क्लियर करना चाहूँ। अ क्वेश्चन, this is the circle of measurement of sum of this radius, and this is also a circle. Measurement of this. If we represent radius of a smaller circle is a small r and larger circle with capital R. If in question a small r is equal to 8 cm and capital R is equal to 12 cm, then students, all of you observe here, you can easily find area of this portion. इस पोर्शन का एरिया आप कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? एरिया ऑफ शेडेड पोर्शन, एरिया ऑफ पाथ, दिस पोर्शन इज कॉल्ड पाथ, एरिया ऑफ शेडेड पोर्शन और पाथ इक्वल टू एरिया ऑफ larger circle minus area of a smaller circle. Pi r square, pi r square. Here we write area of larger, that means capital R, pi r square minus pi r square. We take common pi from both terms. R square minus r square. Value of pi is equal to 22/7 and r, capital R, 12, that means 12 square minus a small r, that means radius of a smaller circle, 8 square. So after solution we get the area of shaded part. This solution I want to given as homework. All of you solve 22 by 7 into 12 square, that means 12 into 12, minus 8 square, that means 8 into 8, and after calculating you get this. This is the area of shaded part. It may be path of the circular park. So many questions may be asked in your book as a worksheet, as a brain teaser. All of you try it.